bounds.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at enhancing your mobile DJ setup using these par cans. Now par cans are basically what in old days, or what they used to use to enhance the stage lighting on old theatres and things of that nature, which is where the word par can comes from. So these are actually modern versions that have adopted the name of par can. What they actually do is they enhance certain areas of your dance floor or wall lightings. In this case, these are the American DJ Mega Par cans. These were the first ones that came out, basically, that American DJ brought out. They did bring the Par Can Plus out, which had the UV lighting setting on it. Now, one thing you'll notice on these is they have a power in and also DMX in, and they also have the power out and the DMX out. This is so you can use DMX programming for the lighting, and you can also daisy chain them with the power. So here I have what is called a flex connector, which is the IEC type. It has the male end and the female end like that, and basically they can just slot together. Now what you would do with that is you would place that in there like that, so that you've got one setup. Just pop that there, and then you would place that one into the other one, and then if I turn these round, place a bit of power in, switch on, you will see there they are quite well lit up. Once they are set up in the rooms, you can place them flat like that, and as you can see, it already lights up the wall. It is on a pre-programmed setting at the moment. They also have stands as well, which are called yokes, which can be used to help position them, so you can rotate them like that, so you can put a slight angle on if you need to, but also because they have that on, it can also be hung from a lighting stand as well. So they're quite versatile little lights to buy. There are various different companies that make these, so you're advised to shop around and have a look at what you want, what you require, and you'll probably come across some lights that maybe fit into your budget, or some lighting that you require that you may have noticed on your own mobile DJ setup. So anyway, I'm going to cut to a video that I did at a recent gig, and I will show you what I did with the lighting, and it also helped enhance the mobile DJ setup that I used on that particular night. So enjoy the rest of this video. I'll get back to you at the end, and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you're enjoying this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. I will check in with you guys at the end of the video. Enjoy this video. So okay, you notice on there is a power in, which the IEC cable will slot into there, and there's also a power out. This is so you can daisy chain the lights together. You'll always notice there's a DMX port as well there, and on there. These are the in and out, so you can actually DMX link them together. So what we're going to do is pop this one over in that corner there. For tonight, we're just going to set them up with power links, which are these leads here. What these basically do is enable you to connect the lights together. So okay, there you can see the light going. As you can see, it's just doing a sequence of flashes at the moment, and there it is washing the wall. to go all the way to the ceiling. You'll notice it's highlighting the corner of this behind my DJ booth. Now, one thing you can buy is remote controls for various different par cans. This is an American DJ par can, so if I press blackout now, that will go off, and then you can select a program. If you turn it back on, you can select auto run, so it'll auto run. You can also select a program and choose different colour schemes for it to do. So there's a green wash, and blue one. What's that? I have no idea what that is. There's kind of an orangey green look there, as you can see. I kind of like this one, the purple effect. You can actually control the light with the remote control. It was upstairs, that venue, and I did use the lighting in the corners. Now, we'll say this, you do need to take your wiring down as well. I didn't do that in the video. I did that after I'd done the video. So if anybody's wondering what actually happened to the wiring, I did tape it all down so it was all secure and everything, which I would advise you to do if you are running any cables along skirting boards inside rooms. You do need to tape a note. Anyway, that was the video, and that's how we use the par cans on my mobile DJ setup. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the video as well, because we're doing a lot more videos along these lines very soon. We will be getting into UV lighting as well, so check that one out when we do it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget the big thumbs up as well.
Bounce.